A very good morning, Zimbabwe. Mamukase, Mamukase, Mamukase. Welcome to African BN Television. You're checking. My name is Kwamakusha, and this morning I have something very sensitive from Killers. Killers is not happy. Arikuvava mwana wekwachiri, and they said something very important which need to take note as the people of Zimbabwe. This post is so sensitive because it carries a lot of weight. He said nobody has the monopoly on violence. If you provide the music, I will dance the tune. Exploiting people's silence is equivalent to self-destruction. Everyone possesses the potential to fight, but good individuals choose to refrain from violence, not out of cowardice. And this is something very, very important in Zimbabwe. We need to dissect each and every part of this statement. If you take a look on the first sentence, it speaks about the monopoly of violence. We have people from ZANU PF who believe that they have the monopoly of violence, who believe that this is the issue root of killers. Yes, and wakaita sena anogona kundidhinda zvangu because ndotya, but killers we say in handitye because we don't have the monopoly of violence. And secondly, we made it clear that if you provide the music, what is this music? Music is violence. And they say, I will dance to the tune, which means if you start to give me a blow, I will respond by a blow, which means that will be a response to the music. Maybe you can do improper. Do not exploit people's silence because if you do so, it's equivalent to self-destruction. It means those who are doing so, they are actually creating a safe environment for them to be to self-destroy. And this is so powerful. And everyone possesses the potential to fight, but good individuals choose to refrain from violence, not out of cowardice. So this is a clear message to ZANU PF comrades to say, guys, the reason why we are quiet is not because we are cowards, it's because we want peace. We want to refrain from violence. But kana tikada kuuya kugame rekuti kana mazino, you can do it. This is Killers Zivhu for you. So I'm going to give a commentary. There is this other guy who always told me to say, it's very important and good kuchengetedza mazino ako because you don't know the outcome of violent activities. So you might go on the upper end kuwina in terms of having violence or whatever, but unogona kungozorohwa achibva cha1 chinobva chakubvisa mazino, and that will affect you for the whole life because unenge watoo nerende, and rende iroro it will be difficult kuti ringe richivharika. So I believe kuti this is so powerful, and Killers who here has sent a clear message to others and their comrades to say, "Ayo, guys, you don't have monopoly over violence," and he said it clearly. Which if you dare me, I'll actually fight back. So let me go through some comments here and here. Kuti vamwe vanhu vazviona say, what is the interpretation from other people and other guys right on X? Zvikanzi pana apa munhu akunyorera chirungu chanhasi mupei mari yake yakakwana. Okay, this is Justice Munyoro. Zvikanzi kwachiri, zvikanzi this is TJ, zvikanzi panapa kwakanaka here honorable, kwahii nani, zvikanzi wakuma apa, thanks, one day is one day, this is a snow day. Zvikanzi tikangoti nhingi nanhingi ave the right of speech and violence, then the nation falls into chaos. That's why the state is given monopoly on violence. And the Romans 18, this 1 to 17, reality is ukufarisa, you take away your peace symbol. Okay, when the farisa, you take away your peace symbol. Okay, and those are vamwe pano apa. So they're saying the state ndo inenge ine right. A big percent against so far needs a few moves, but after educational refinement, I'm a lot clear on what needs to be done. Following, okay, this is something different. I think I am going serious. Sorry, very different to what we're talking about here. Okay, it's going to be okay. So we have read the comments which are here, but and we do not know what the which is repeated. This is a tweet yet one answer guys from Honorable Killers Zivhu. Vari kumborerei iye uine zvipi zvavanogona kuita kuti zive guys in the comment section, please let us talk if you have any idea kuti ndezvipi zvingaitwa naMukoma.